Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products. Ekasi.
My name is Vicky from Umlazi East Section, and I'm a founder of Ekasi Bioscope. Ekasi Bioscope is a mobile movie cinema in the township where we go around screen African-inspired movies in townships. So we come with equipment in your township if you like us to come, and we screen African-inspired movies as a way to address the stigma associated with social issues. So after the movie, we chat about our feelings, thoughts, and how we relate to the movie so that we can address the elephant in the room and the social issues that we are facing in communities. So Ekasi Bioscope started back in June 2016 at King Shaka High School. At that time, I was a youth coach at the school, and kids used to come to me and tell me their issues. So I saw Uguti, no, let's find an intervention so that kids could be able to be given a platform so they can freely express themselves about issues and also find solutions. So I was like, no, I need to get back by scope that we used to have back in the days where we used to watch a movie for 2 rand, a China movie. And I just thought, let me bring it back and have a little twist to it, because after the movie, we chat about our feelings. So that's how Ekasi Bioscope was born, and that's how we keep on growing every day. We come with the equipment to your community and screen African-inspired movies. So if you need us to come to your community, your school, your workplace, you can get us on Facebook, it's Ekasi Bioscope, on Twitter, Ekasi Bioscope, or on our number, it's 084 74 22 418. My name is Vicky Ekasi Bioscope. Press play. Sanbonani, igama lami Vicky, and I'm a township